I think some of the strongest people alive right now are people that nobody even notices. Not celebrities, not TikTok influencers, which I'm not rich people pretending they're so happy. I'm talking about ordinary people quietly rebuilding their lives and finding happiness after the whole thing fell apart. And I think Gen X understands this better than pretty much any other generation. A lot of us got hit hard. Divorce, addiction, debt, burnout, losing your parents, your health starts to go to crap, bad marriages, stress, lonely. Watching life move way too fast. Honestly, some people never recover from that emotionally. But lately, I've been reading comments, thousands of comments from people all over the world, and I'm realizing something important. Some of the strongest people I've ever seen are not people who ever failed. Quite the opposite. People who lost everything and they just found their strength and kept going. I read a comment yesterday, divorced from a guy, lost his house, lost his job, lost his father, fought addiction. He had nothing. He's rebuilding his life in a small apartment while his kids are just starting adulthood. And you know what hit me the hardest? He said his children said they were proud of him for still standing. Strength. Not pretending, not Facebook success, not acting tough, not fake motivation. Real strength from a person who lost everything. Real strength is after you get destroyed, you get up. You start rebuilding one stone at a time. Honestly, I think there's so many of Gen X carrying that pain that nobody sees. Some people are rebuilding financially, emotionally, some physically, some spiritually. Some are trying to quit drinking. I get it every day in my inbox. Some are trying to save their marriage, trying to survive divorce, man. Trying to lose weight, trying to stop hating themselves. Chew on that. Most people around them have no clue what their battle is internally. That's why I started all of this. That's why I talk about it openly, about my own life and how bad I failed. The addiction, the weight, stress, all the health problems I've had, the rebuilding. I'm fixing it now, walking. Trying to become healthier at 57 and becoming healthier at 57. Because maybe somebody out there watching needs proof that your life isn't over just because you fell apart for a minute. Maybe the best part of your life is ahead of you. Maybe this isn't the ending. Maybe it's just the rebuilding and a beautiful start. Maybe one day somebody survives because they watched you keep going. If you're starting over like me, follow along, hit the subscribe button. I appreciate y'all watching these. Thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one.